Hi, I'm Debs, a Jamaican living in Zimbabwe. Okay, no shade or anything. I've traveled a lot in my life, but what's up with this queuing to get off a plane? Me still not understand it. Like, will you get off any faster? No, babe, it's a serious question, no laugh.
You have arrived.
Anyway, as I know, we were in South Africa for the weekend, in Johannesburg to be specific. Peep my bag, guys, I always represent. So we arrived, and the first thing we did was to obviously get a SIM card. Can somebody explain why this is so expensive? Daylight robbery. I've come to realize that foreigners have no choice. Anyway, we borrowed a relative's car for free, stayed at another Jamaican Zimbabwean couple's upscale property, also for free. So when you see we post, don't assume we have money, we don't, okay? Just an amazing network of family and friends. Do not follow everything you see on social media. So we drove over to Africa Mall to grab a bite because we're both hungry. Never mind the 101 distractions to shop, your girl is staying focused. May have one goal and one goal only, to get McDonald's, which may not taste in ages. I know it's not healthy, but allow me make me live my life. It's just one day, guys.